Today is day 16 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy. Now, in order for me to receive said trophy, I have to find a design, slice it, print it, film it, edit it, and upload it on a daily basis here on this channel. Now, normally we don't do this type of content. Normally what we got going on is building industrial grade 3D printers, extruder software, and even doing large scale prints. Link is in the description box below for more details. Now, this one is a mix between a prop as well as a game piece. If you guys are familiar with like D&D or just board games in general, this is a Green Lantern themed dice tower. And the reason I went with the dice tower is because of time. Let's just hop in to see how this print turned out. And here we have it, our Green Lantern dice tower. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you like the video, leave a comment down below what you guys think tomorrow's print is going to be, and subscribe to the channel. We have a good amount of days left. I'm just prepared to see what happens and unfolds.